We'll guide you through how to use the same Apple ID on an iPhone and iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Using and having the same Apple ID on both an iPad and an iPhone means you can then go and sync data between them. So you could go and have your contacts synced, photos, messages, and more as well. So to go and get started with this, what you can do is if I go and open up the settings here, because at the moment I've got Rob Tucker here signed in, that's my account. If I go and open up settings on the iPad, you can see we don't have an account currently, so you can tap there. If there is an account on here, perhaps you want to go and start having yours on here, you'll need to get the other person to sign this out. They can tap Apple account, scroll down and press sign out, and then you can start the sign-in process. So it's much easier to use another Apple device, so we can use an iPhone, so you can tap that there. You can then go and have your iPhone nearby and you'll get this pop-up, sign into iPad. So we can press get started. It will then go and connect. I can go and enter in the passcode here to go and sign in, put the camera over the iPad and scan that, and now we can go and continue. I'll press setup for me like so, and now keep waiting. You can go and see on the iPad that it's now signing in, keep on waiting. We then need to go and enter in the iPad passcode. That's it, we're now using the same one. You can click iCloud and choose what you want to go and have synced.